Simple present passive. Making English easier. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to explore an important part of English grammar, the simple present passive voice. Mastering the use of passive voice can help you sound more fluent and understand English better, so let's dive right in. The simple present passive is a tense that we use when the focus is on the action, not on who or what is performing the action. It's a way to show what happens to the subject of the sentence. For example, the cake is eaten. The letter is written. Here, we are more interested in what happened to the cake and the letter, rather than who ate the cake or who wrote the letter. To form the simple present passive, we use the formula subject plus am, is, are plus past participle. Let's look at a couple of examples. The cake is eaten. The letters are written. In these examples, is and are forms of the verb to be, and eaten and written are the past participles of the verbs to eat and to write, respectively. We use the simple present passive. 1. When the doer is unknown, the cake is eaten. We don't know who ate the cake. 2. When the doer is not important, the letters are written. We're not interested in who wrote the letters. 3. When we want to emphasize the action over the doer, the report is prepared every month. The focus is on the action of preparing the report. Remember, the passive voice shifts the focus from the doer to the action or the receiver of the action. If you have a sentence in the active voice in the simple present tense, you can change it to the passive voice. For example, active, she eats the cake. Passive, the cake is eaten. The subject of the active sentence becomes the doer of the action and often gets dropped in the passive sentence. And that wraps up our exploration of the simple present passive. Remember, practice is key when learning new grammar. Try converting active sentences into passive and vice versa to gain more comfort with the passive voice. I hope you found this video useful, and keep practicing until the simple present passive becomes second nature to you. Happy learning!